Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys I'm hitting you guys with another video because I haven't done one in like ages now. So we're gonna get started and we're gonna go in jailbreak, play some fun stuff, and of course we're gonna be a prisoner. Right, okay guys, let's get started. So right now we're just loading in the game. Ooh, whoa, there's lots of prisoners and 2 police. Confirm. You can never have enough prisoners. Okay, so we're gonna run. Thanks. Run. Now we need to, please punch me. Okay, sure. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, I need a enter driver. Enter driver. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Go back up. Oh, I could just go under here, making more sense now. See. You escaped. I know I escaped. Thank you very much for telling me. But I know. No, we don't want to be a passenger and just wait in the car. We want to get going. Oh my gosh. No. This is easy peasy. Oh no, we're gonna hit the bridge. We've got to be safe, car driver, but we've got to be quick because the police will catch us. So I think I'm gonna head out of town. And I have no clue where I'm going. I'm going to try and find the secret base. And I'm a prisoner and I don't even know where our secret base is. I'm going to turn this up for that capacity. Like for sure. Do you get on? Okay, I'm going to... Snap. What do I do? Yes. Decided to shoot me. Place I... Jeez. Oh, okay. Get my I've got her, and she was in here. Oh my god. For this video, and I will see you guys all next time. Goodbye guys.